from Jay say doing too much, now we getting rich. No, it ain't luck. Niggas always doubting when you ain't up. Been through the.
Oh, what y'all doing here? Man, what's up? Hey man, we back with another video, man. Yo, y'all, today, like, I know that I can see by the title, like, the video I'm doing today is crazy, but, like, yo, stuff got crazy, but you already know how I am, bro. I'm with anything, man. His content, try to get this content for y'all. I'm down with anything, man. And you know, anybody out there who want to collab, let me know. So I'm down with anything. I ain't bring y'all a sneeze prank video. All my friends, classmates, in general. I enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing this video, so I hope y'all enjoy it too when y'all watch it. And make sure to comment down below how much you mess with this video, how much you fuck with it, like 1 through 10. Like, yo, I give it an 8, or I give it a 10. This video was fire, you know. Write it down in the comments. And also, I've been telling my supporters I'm trying to get my content like crazy up there. So you know what I'm saying, 2023 is my year, so I'm trying to get my content crazy up there. So let me know down in the comments what type of content you want to see, what type of video, like anything y'all want to see me do, I'll do it for y'all. Like, I also been trying to get on my TikTok too, so y'all make sure to go follow my TikTok page. It's j.toomuch. I'll put it right here. And just make sure leave me know down in the comments what type of TikToks you want me to do, you know, videos. Like, yeah, man, like I always say, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do each other best, share to one friend to another. So well, y'all finish that sentence for me, and guess what, guys, we're gonna roll okay. Like, I really appreciate y'all so much, man. I appreciate all the love and support y'all been showing me. Shout out to all my supporters out there in school, everything, like outside of school. Like, yo, been with me from day one to now, until later on. I love you, appreciate you. So yeah, man, let me just stop talking because I be talking too much. Let's get right into the video, all right? 3, 2, 1. Alright, yeah, we mic'd up right now, we mic'd up. Yo, gang! What's up, my boy? What's up, bro? What y'all eating there?
I was walking by, I remember. Shit, hot as hell.
What?
But that shit is not hot. It's good.
Oh my god, bro. My bad, bro.
I see that, man.
My bad, bro. Alright, check one. Check one. Yo, I was good in my heart.
Whose name is that?
Good in my heart. Good.
Decent. Who the fuck last name is that?
What?
Decent. Elvin. Elvin is? I saw me, you, and him for the 2. Right. And then I got triple. Yo.
Shit just got real.
Oh, shit, my bad, bro. Yo.
Fuck it.
Yo, I'll buy you new food. Yo, I'll buy you new food. Yo, I'm mic'd up. What's up? I'm mic'd up right now. I'm mic'd up right now. I'll buy you new food, bro. I didn't mean to sneeze, bro. The allergies is killing me, bro. My bad, gang. We could go buy you food. What you want? What you want? Oh, my heart. Oh. You want my heart? Oh, man. Oh, my bad, bro. My bad, bro. Allergies killing me, yo. Hey, Samaj. Hey, come here. I gotta speak to you.
Hey, did we got rock today?
Huh? Nah. Yo, these allergies. Oh my god. Oh. Damn, allergies killing me. Yo. My bad, bro. Oh my god. Oh, my heart. Let's go, my heart.
I don't know why your shit's so slow. You don't have the VPN.
Oh, bro. What's up, y'all? Hey. What y'all doing?
Look at this dude.
That's a big iPad, yo.
All right, last call. All garbage off your table. You are dismissed once your garbage is off your table.
Oh my god!
Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad, yo. Yo. Oh, shit.
Yo, allergies killing me, bro.
Niggas is old. Niggas is in the mall right now. My girl take me shopping. What a broski. What a bro, right? That store right there, Snipes. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know that store is called Snipes. Y'all know what I'm about. Y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to volley her pockets. I'm about to cha-ching her pockets. What a bro.
Show the sweater.
Well, I'm drinking this. Enjoy Coke, y'all. We do Coke. Get off my line, y'all. I like this.
Right, this is the
Look at
shirt.
the shirt, guys. Look at the shirt she got me. You gotta show them a little preview. Little preview, you know what I'm saying, of the fit. What a bro. El patrón, ¿dónde tú estás?
Yo, bajando a 110 por el highway.
Ay, patrón, llega bien aquí, patrón, oíste.
Oh, pero acecha. Voy por aquí, estamos en el diablo,
Oye, patrón, no vaya rápido.
No, yo no voy rápido, a 120 que voy nada más.
Ah, no, eso no es rápido. Señala a la gente que tú vas a estar aquí en 3, 2 y 1. Ok, el patrón. ¿Y eso?
Habibi.
El Habibi.
¿Qué es lo que ustedes dicen,
Coño,
gente?
coño. Oye, el Habibi necesita novia. Oye, tú encuéntrale una.
Buscando novia, buscando girlfriend. Because we're single right now. So, let my boy right here know. Quédate de ahí, porque estamos aquí, tú sabes, looking for some girls. And the little nigga right here, estamos buscando qué es lo que vamos a comprar. Porque entramos a Hollister. Entramos a Hollister y no había nada. Bueno, él entró y no había nada.
What is lush? ¿Qué te pasa, todo? Like,
¿Qué es lo que te pasa? ¿Qué es lo que te pasa? Dámela. ¿Qué es lo que te pasa? ¿Qué es lo que te
like, con un poloche al solito, tú sabes. Cashing out, y'all. Cashing out. I'm playing with guys. I'm playing with the guys. Sure.
Here's the bag anyway.
Woo. Appreciate it, boss. Patro. Te lo pago.
Have a good one, guys.
You too, boss. Yo. Say what's up. Yes, sir. Yo, have a good one, boss. Hey.
Yo tengo 18 pesos. Pero voy a meter gasolina al carro y te voy a dar los 20 cash.
Pero, ¿lo tienen en cash en la casa? Ah, tú me lo das.
Te voy a pasar de los
Hey, you cashed out for me?
No.
A W shopping day for me? For my birthday? Cashed out? How much you cashed out?
I don't know.
Yo, she took like 1 band, bro, just for me, y'all. Well, closer though, closer. I ain't gonna lie, closer. Got the security on deck. Excuse me. Hey. Get the pasador like got the pasador like get the Got 10 niggas knock at your door. Talking crazy, you put on the floor. Red beat, got aim, shoot through your hole. Heard niggas, I'm playing, I'm ready to ball. But y'all niggas not ready for the brawls. Y'all niggas not ready for war. Got that shit that your bitch your door. She a baddie.